guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to a love for simple stories. Saturday we have some new people playing with this month, so make sure you check out the links in the description box down below to see everyone who's playing along today. And the main goal is to play with simple stories. Now, released this month for Flavors of the Month kit from the Scrap Room with Simple Stories Summer Snapshots. I've got the main kit, the embellishment add-on, the Shots of Life portion that also coordinates with this, and the pattern paper add-on. So I've got all the things here, and we're going to play with it. I had a layout, I think I already posted it earlier, that played with this, so we're going to play with it some more. And it's also 30 days of sketches this month. Now, I have not created much other than my design team stuff this month, so I'm excited to create a little bit this weekend for y'all. And it's 30 days of sketches, so I want to hop on board. And today's sketch is by Shayla Kolchitsky. I love it. We're going to make it a 2-pager. I've got some photos of my sister's family's vacation earlier this March. So it wasn't technically summer, but they were down in Florida on the beach, so it was summer for them, enjoying the beach and a catamaran ride and all that good stuff. So we are going to play, and I'm going to do not voicing over today. We're going to do layout style where, yeah, I just talk, because then I don't have to edit as much, and I don't have to voice over and find a quiet place. And right now, no one else is awake in my house, so I've got a glass of water. It's not quite time for coffee yet, and we're gonna get started. A lot of good embellishments. Okay, what have we got? Part of me wants to totally just do this orange because they've got a lot of good orange in these photos, but there's like no orange in these photos, so it's like but a part of me wants to just do this real bad, but a part of me also just wants to do like strips of this, because then it's all the colors. It's very bold. We're going to use probably one of these. So we're going to... Oh, the lemons! And maybe some of this pink. I think we're going to go with it. I think we're going to go for it, and I'm going to use this orange. So we are going to do, let's see, a couple... thick strips, 3 inches. Yeah. Half-inches. Okay. One part down. I want, it is almost on the sketch, her stripe is almost in the middle, so we're gonna put it there, and we're gonna just add a little. That's gonna be a single one by itself. Since my pictures are a little taller, I think we'll do like 2. I'm trying to decide how I want to do it. I'm not going to mat these ones, but I'm going to like double mat this one, I think. Kind of want to do this Good Times and Tan Lines, I think. And that can be my... We should mat that one, I think, too. Yeah, maybe we'll just hand cut this, which is perfect because I suck at cutting my doing. Chop it a little shorter. That'll do it so it fits a little better. Okay. I think we got... I grabbed some wood veneer from Colorcast Designs and this acrylic set that says Bright and Sunshiny, and it came with the sun, and I thought that was perfect. So I'm going to try to separate them, because plus I've got all going here. Floral stickers, I've got a 12x12 sticker sheet to play with, this, so we've got things. Plus, I noticed on the sketch there was like two now we just gotta get some fun stuff done over here. And I have this stencil, and I thought it's kind of perfect. So I was going to try to stencil. Instead of putting tags down here, since I've spread my page to 2 pages, I was going to try to maybe do some stenciling kind of like across this part and then up on, yeah, anyway, so we're gonna do that. And I picked out Tattered Rose because to me that kind of matches this pink and this floral, and I kind of want to keep that going, but I really like the pieces I've grabbed so far. I'm not going to quite glue them down yet because I want to play with the stickers and the other things I have too, so, but I really wanted to get this stenciled. To stay. Okay. And then I want now I think there was a pretty, grabbed this for the journaling spot if I'm gonna use it. I don't know. I'm gonna glue this down because I really like this. This stenciled. And I need a brush. So it's going to be a little subtle, which I'm okay with. I'm actually I'm not a minimalist scrapper like ever. But right now, this page is looking pretty cute without too much stuff going on, except for obviously I'm going to be adding tons of embellishments and things, but I've got all this white space, and I'm really liking that. I'm liking the white space, and that's not usually my thing. So I'm going to wipe this off because I need to flip it over because I want them to mirror each other. I don't want wet. Okay. Okay. Let's add this floral. I'm gonna add a few little colorful ones over here just to make it kind of go, blend together. I need some for right here. I'm debating if I do one of these big clusters or if I do one from the sticker sheet. I think I might do this big one from the sticker sheet. Oh, I ripped off part of the leaf. That's okay. That's what I will do. Let's plug this down. And we'll put a leaf on the other side of it. There we go. Oop. Okay. And since I do have a few small hearts, we can let me grab my tweezers because these are tiny. We can grab some of these colored hearts and plug them places. Wood veneer, so I have some of it still, which is super fun. Okay, put this back up. I really like that right there. And this right now tucked in right there. Kind of want to tuck that there. But it doesn't really go, so at the same time I don't want to, but it does go. And then I don't really care about the sentiment that's on there, so I might cover it up with this heart. There you go. Can we just cut it off? It'll be easier. Well, let's just trim it up. I just want the florals. Yeah. Make your embellishments work for you. Yeah, I like that a lot better. Okay. That's awesome. There we go. All right. I think I'm gonna play with this collection a little more and get some more of my sister's little mini vacay album done. So you might see more of this, but I think this is perfect. I love Shayla's sketch, and it was super easy to extend to 2 pages. So thank you so much for the inspiration. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure, again, you check out everybody else down below and check out the 30 Days of Sketches playlist. Otherwise, I'll have some closes for you. Appreciate you. See you next time. Bye.